Hey guys, Monkey here, and it's arrived! Transformers Legacy Springer. Oh. There we go. He's arrived today. So yeah. Ooh. Alright, one second. I gotta check this. It is just a confirmation receipt. Alright. Box. Oh, shit. I think I just hit blur off the table. Oh, what the hell was that? Okay, yeah, I did hit blur off. Sandstorm is finally here. We've got none of the Wave 2 figures except for the Core Cheetor down here. So, getting this guy is nice. Oh yeah, and also, some more good news. I got some figures yesterday as well, so I want to get this over with too. I got Cheetor and Bumblebee yesterday. So yeah, got those. And now, Springer's finally coming. So we just... along the sides. No, I don't know what my plan was here. Just means I have to cut more tape. Well, actually... damn it, I could have done it from the bottom. The bottom's always the easiest one to start off at. We got his instructions. Pretty big. More trash. And we got not Springer, Sandstorm. Just a heads up, this is not a review. This is more or less just an unboxing of the figure. Just like what I did for Magnus and others. There we go. We got his propellers, or propeller, his blaster, and his little pea shooter. Toss that off to the side as well. And now, ow. We just take him out. You know what? We can just kind of pull this over. That one snapped extremely easily. Alright, now for me, I'm probably going to have this guy in his helicopter mode more than his buggy mode. Since I already have Beachcomber. Beachcomber is a buggy. So yeah, we got an actually functional tow winch, which is nice. Probably going to talk more about this in his review. Let's just roll that up. This piece goes up here, I believe. Oh, there's a little notch in there. Okay. Come on. There you go. That's in. And he has his toy head and not his cartoon head. I like... That's loose. That's going to bug me for a little while. Well, damn. Besides that, everything else on this guy is really good. I like how the head looks. He's definitely gonna size up well with the others. Back is very chunky. Yeah, I'll say. That's today's unboxing. I'll figure out how to transform this guy, do all that in my own time. But until then, yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.